my channel. So today's video is gonna be a haul video. So because of the festival season, there's a lot of discounts and sales going on online as well as in retail stores. So being a shopaholic, I took the best advantage of it and I went ahead and shopped a lot. So I won't be able to include each and everything in one video, then it's going to be very long and you guys will get bored. So I'm going to do it in sections. So like I'll split it into haul 1, haul 2 and film it for you guys. So without further ado, let's get started with the haul. I'm not gonna show it to you guys in any particular order. Whatever comes to my hand, I'll be showing it to you guys. So the first thing what comes to my hand is a brush from the brand Pro Art. It's called the Pro Art Makeup Tools and Accessories. It looks like this. So this is a pencil brush which I got from a store near my house. It retails for around 200 rupees. I felt that it's quite nice, so that's why I picked it up. So yeah. So I was on the lookout for Miss Claire lipsticks for a very long time. So finally I found it near a store near my house, and I was very happy to find it because I've seen a lot of videos on Miss Claire lipsticks and how good they are, and they are an exact dupe of NYX lip creams, matte lip creams I guess. So I was on the lookout for those lip creams. I couldn't find it anywhere where I'm staying, and finally I found the store where they had this lipsticks, and I was so happy, and I got myself around 5 or 6 shades. So the first shade which I got is called, there are no names for this, they've just got numbers. So the first shade is 05, which looks like this. So I'm not gonna swatch these Miss Claire lipsticks for you guys because I'm planning on recording a Miss Claire lip swatch and review video. So that will be coming soon, so look out for that. And the second shade which I got is a nice orangey red color. It's in the number 18A. So this costed me around 170 rupees each, which I think is very affordable, and let's see how it works for me. And next one is a nice fuchsia color. It's in the number 07. Next shade what I got is a nice berry purpley kind of a color, and it's in the number 12. The next shade what I got is in the number 10, which looks like this. It's a nice maroony red, deep red color. I'm really excited to try this. Well, I'm really excited to try all these lipsticks because I've heard a lot about these lipsticks. So yeah. So the last lipstick which I got from the same range is this color. It looks like a very nice peachy corally kind of a color. It's in the number 16A. Yeah, 16A. So that's the shades which I got from Miss Claire lipsticks. So the next thing what I got is I got a few nail paints from Studio West as well as other brand. So the first color is this color. It's a gorgeous purple color with some fine shimmers in it. It's in the shade Shimmery Plum. It's really gorgeous. So the next shade of nail paint which I got is this one. This is so beautiful, so beautiful. I just love this golden shimmery shade. It's called as Golden Dreams. And the next shade from the same brand what I got is again a silver shimmery shade, which is called Silver Saga. And I got a few nail paints from Maybelline. So this is how it looks like. This is what I'm wearing on one of my fingers right now. I really love it. It's really pretty. It's in the shade Pink Champagne 607. The next nail paint what I got is from Revlon. It's a nice corally red kind of a color. It's in the shade Ravishing number 486. So the next nail paint is again from Maybelline Color Show range. It's called Lavender Lice. It's a very beautiful lavender color. It's really gorgeous. So I got one more of the nail paint from Studio West, which looks like this. It's a beautiful off-white creamy kind of a color. It's in the shade Cotton Candy. It's really gorgeous. So Studio West has this gorgeous nail paints. I was not much into nail paints before, but right now I am, and Studio West has really affordable and beautiful colors. So I suggest you guys to go check their nail paints out. So this is from Color Bar. This is the nail paint which I'm wearing right now. It's a nice deep purple color. So I got this for free. There was an offer wherein if you purchase for a certain amount you get some products free. So I got this free from Color Bar. Thank you, Color Bar. The next thing what I got from Maybelline is an eyeshadow, my favorite holy grail eyeshadow. That is the Maybelline Colossal Volume Up Express Mascara. So I think this is my 5th or 6th tube. So I do have 2 or 3 backups of these. I really love this mascara. So the next thing what I got is an eyeliner from Lakme. It's from the Absolute Shine line range. It's a jet black kind of an eyeliner. So I've already used 2 of these and I really like the applicator. I'll just show it to you guys how it looks like. So I really like the applicator. It's quite thin and can be used to draw very fine lines like a wing liner. So I got it. I forgot to show you guys, I got one more nail paint. It's from the brand Health and Glow. Looks like this. It's in the shade Chrome Ash Pearl. Next thing what I got is from a brand called Freedom. So it's a bronzer which I got from jabong.com, I guess. Yeah, so it's a bronzer which looks like this. It's really huge and it works really well. So I don't have like a matte bronzer with me, so I thought this would be great. And there was a discount going on these. Jabong and Flipkart and Nykaa, I guess they are on a sale up to 40% I guess. So I'm not sure about the percentage, but they have like awesome discounts on makeup and other products, so do check them out. So this retailed for around $7.50, but I got it for a good discount. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. So the next thing what I got is a lipstick from Maybelline. Superstay 14-hour lipstick. It's in the shade Non-Stop Red, which looks like this. It's a gorgeous orangey red color. This is how it looks like. It's so beautiful, you guys. This is the kind of shade which I love, as you guys know, so can't wait to use it. The next lipstick what I got is from Revlon. It's called the Super Lustrous lipstick Mad About Mauve, which looks like this. It's a very nice, beautiful mauvey kind of a nude color, which will be good for an everyday wear. This is how it looks like. It's really pretty. Love it. So the next lipstick what I got is again from Color Bar. It's in the shade Wild Mauve. Somehow they don't have the name of the lipstick shade on the packaging. So it's what I'm wearing right now. It's actually a deep purple kind of a color, but on camera I don't know, it's showing as a maroony burgundy color, but it's actually, this is the color. So it's totally different. It's somewhat similar to my nail color, but on my lips it's showing as a totally different color on camera. So the next shade of lipstick which I got is from Revlon. It's from the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick Matte range. It's in the shade Look at Me. Again, it's my kind of color, orangey red kind of a color. It's somewhat similar to this color, but this is a little more deeper. So I recently used this in one of my tutorials. I think it's the festive makeup look. So if you guys want to see how it looks on me, please, I'll link the video down below. Please don't forget to check it out. So the next lipstick what I got is from Makeup Revolution. It's in the shade Crime. It's a beautiful purple color, purpley orchid color. Wow, it is so gorgeous, you guys. It is so gorgeous. I can't wait to use this. Lip color or lip pencil what I got is from Color Bar. It's in the shade Orchid Pink. So it's one of those chubby sticks which they have. I love this range of Color Bar lipstick. It's somewhat similar to this again, but this is a darker version of this. So yeah, I love it. Shade what I got is from Chambord Extreme Matte Longwear Lip Color. It's in the shade Exotic Fuchsia, which looks like this. This is the color. Again, it's somewhat similar to this color, but yeah, I love it. So the next shade is from the same brand. It's in the shade Fiery Red. It's a beautiful terracotta kind of a red color. Looks like this. So the next shade of lipstick what I got is from the brand Studio West. Looks like this. It's again a nice nice nude color with a hint of brown in it. This will be gorgeous for fair to medium skin tones. This is how it looks like. It's a very nice color for everyday wear. The next thing what I got is a lipstick from the newly launched Maybelline Velvet Matte Lip Color. So I have been on the lookout for this. So recently they have launched it. It's available in the stores and I will be reviewing this soon. And I've got only one shade as of now, but I'll be picking up the rest of the colors. So this is in the shade Matte 8, like this. It's a beautiful orangey red color again. So yeah, can't wait to use this. So next thing, I picked up few accessories from Westside. So this is how it looks like. It's a very nice everyday kind of earrings where you can wear it to Gorilla's office. I really loved it. It's very beautiful. It retails for around $249. That's how it looks like. These from New You. So this is a pair of earrings which I got, which I think is gorgeous. This retails for around $399. I really love this detailing going on over here and this sparkly diamond what is here. It's really gorgeous. I think it's gonna look gorgeous. So I got another pair of earrings which I think is quite cool. It looks like this. It's got a nice a different kind of earring. It comes in a curve and this will come behind. So I really loved it. It's really gorgeous. It retails for around $349. It's gorgeous. Also has launched the Velvet Matte kind of lipstick. I also picked up two of the shades, which is in the number 106 Fuchsia Orchestra, which looks like this. This is how Fuchsia Orchestra looks like. Beautiful color. And then I picked up another color which is called, oh my god, I can't even see it. It's in the number 103 Montane Brick. Montane, I don't know how to pronounce it. This is how it looks like. It's a beautiful, nice brick kind of a lip color, which looks like this. So these are supposed to be velvet matte. So it looks kind of glossy. I think initially when you wear it, it's glossy, and later it settles into a nice velvet matte kind of a color. So the next thing what I picked up is a pair of sandals from Westside, which looks like this. It's a really nice flat sandals which looks like this. I really love this flower detailing going on, and it looks really pretty. So yeah, that's what I got from Westside. So I went to Body Shop recently and splurged a little and got a big hole in my pocket. So yeah, so the first thing what I got from Body Shop is from their newly launched limited edition range of Virgin Mojito. It's their body butter, so I got the body butter from them. It really smells awesome. It smells very refreshing. It smells like lime and pudina. That's how it smells like. So it's really good. And from the same range I got a shower gel which looks like this. So since I came to know that they are limited edition, I'm planning to get their scrub, as well as they have something called Body Splash. So I really love this. It's quite refreshing and smells really great, so I'm planning to get that as well. And I got one more body butter from Body Shop. It's the argan oil range, and you guys, this smells heavenly. This smells so good. You guys have to try it out, and if you have dry skin, this is the best body butter. I mean, it smells so good and it's actually very moisturizing. I thought of getting the scrub as well, but then I already burned a big hole in my pocket, so I thought I'll get it later. So I really recommend this argan oil range. It smells so good and it's very good. So yeah, I highly recommend this. Actually, I highly recommend all Body Shop products because I'm a big fan of Body Shop products. So yeah. So the next thing what I got again from Body Shop, because they had some 50% discount on few of their makeup products, so I got a blush from them which looks like this. It's a really nice dusty rose kind of a color. It can be used for light contouring as well. They don't have, okay, it doesn't have any shade name. It says it's all-in-one blush 09. Yeah, they do have a shade name. It's in the shade Truffle. Got two more lipsticks from the brand Essence, which is in the shade Blush My Lips, which looks like this. It's a beautiful hot pink kind of a color. This is how it looks like. And the other shade is called All You Need Is Red. It's a beautiful deep red color. This is how it looks like. Really pretty. Thing what I got is a shades from Habana.com. So I've been really loving shopping from Habana. They've got really cool accessories and shades. So last month I already got one cool shades and I've been really loving. So this month again I got a new shades from Habana. So this is how the shades look like. It's really quirky, it's really stylish. I love these kind of shades. I don't know what are they called, but I really love this style, and they've got this floral thing going on. I feel it's really cool. So this is how the shades look like. So that's it for my haul, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. So there are more haul videos coming up. Stay tuned for that. Do let me know if you guys shop anything for Diwali or the sale, and do let me know if you guys want to see a review or swatches of any of these lipstick. I would be very happy to do it for you guys. And I hope you guys are enjoying your Navratri and festivals. and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, would mean a lot to me. And thank you so much for your support and love and comments. I'm really overwhelmed and really happy. I will be soon hosting a giveaway once I reach 500 subscribers, so please help me to reach that. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye guys.